A deal with the devil. Are there really innocent parties? What processes bring it about? Modern sensibilities are more repressed than what they rebel against. Uncontrolled expression can fall upon exactly wrong rarities. It is true that there are truths within the myths and even fables and just sheer fiction. Things come into these things, intentionally or otherwise. People can't sell the soul of another. Yeah, I'm sorry. You can't say that your child or someone you don't like or whatever is going to take your place in dealing with the spiritual consequences of your deeds. Permissions don't have to be as direct as presumed. Now, that is one of those very solid truths, right? Is people don't have to call on what they know to be a demon in order for the witchcraft to so affect them.